Ahoy Danish language adventurers! Today we're setting sail on a time-traveling expedition through the captivating world of Danish verb conjugation. I'm gonna be your linguistic time traveler, here to unveil the mysteries of past tense verbs in Danish. Welcome to our time machine, Danish past tense. As you can see on this beautiful slide, I see it as we have two groups to take a look at here. I've written the nutid plus er, which we talked about last time, and I've written the datid. We have, for example, plus de. And when I say plus de, I'm referring back, as you can see my arrow, to the infinitive. So in the past tense of at elske, to love, we add a de to elske, and it becomes elsket. Likewise, with snakke, we add de, it becomes snakket. Group 2, however, is a little bit different. In this one, you add a T, and you add it in between the last two letters of the infinitive. At tale, to speak, becoming talte, and spise, to eat, becoming spiste. Regular past tense verbs are like the protagonists in this historical Danish tale. Watch closely as they undergo magical transformations, taking you on a journey back in time. Let's go through it once more. Here we have the regular past tense, group 1. And I've given you the present tense. Elsker, elskede. Vasker, vaskede. Snakke, snakkede. And regular past tense, group 2. Spiser, spiste. Taler, talte. Bage, bagte. But wait, there's a twist in the plot. The irregular past tense verbs. They're the mavericks of the past, bending the rules and adding spice to the narrative. So we've had at gør, to do, in the past tense, gjorde, did. Jeg gjorde det, for example. I did it. Take a note of these verbs because they're really important. Next we have at have, or have, to have, havde, had, in the past tense. Hey, hell. At ved, to know. Vidste, in the past tense. Knew. Jeg vidste det. I knew it. Og ved, vidste. And finally, at være, to be. Var, was. Jeg var, I was. Irregular verbs are like the heroes with their own unique stories. They're the rebels of this script, making each sentence an exciting adventure. But there are some common patterns you can find within irregular patterns if you like. And if you want to see more on that, you can find my video on YouTube. Just follow the link in the description. Time to put your past tense prowess into action. Imagine sitting by a campfire, sharing tales of your adventures, or recounting childhood memories with friends. Hun arbejdede i et supermarked, hvor hun spiste så meget, at det gjorde ondt i hendes mave. She worked in a supermarket where she ate so much that it hurt her stomach. Here you can see the three examples in a little bit of a somewhat normal context. Arbejdede, group 1, spiste, group 2, and gjorde, group 3. Irregular. As we conclude this time-traveling journey through Danish past tense verbs, remember that the verbs are the storytellers of language. They carry the weight of history and the magic of expression. So until we embark on our next Danish language adventure, keep practicing, keep exploring, keep weaving stories with the rich tapestry of verbs. Check out the exercise in your workbook to really make these verbs sink into your mind. I'm Liam, your trusty guide, and remember, every verb you unlock is a key to unlock the doors of communication across time. Vi ses snart.